Doyle's waiting for her 3 o'clock appointment.
Oh, I thought she was booked in for tomorrow. Sorry.
Hey, Miss Westfall. Did I stuff up? I thought we said 3.
Sorry, I'm late.
No, it's no drama. It's not like I'm going anywhere.
So what are you stolen this time?
What, you want to check my pockets?
What I want is to stop having to cover for you. What are you doing here?
Came to see you.
You know, you promised me, you looked me in the eye, and you promised me, you said, I'm not going to try anything anymore.
Yeah, I know.
And I believed you again. I'm not doing this anymore, Frankie.
Look, I'm doing it for us. I won't do it again.
Get out.
I'm sorry.
Now.